In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom homepage on Zen web browser. By the end, you'll have your favorite site load the moment you open Zen or hit the home button, making your browsing feel faster and more personal. Start by opening the Zen browser. Give it a second to load to the main window. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main menu, which is where Zen keeps most of its app controls and customization options. From that menu, click on Settings. This takes you to Zen's settings page. There's a lot here, so to make things quick, use the search box at the top. Click the search field and type the word homepage. As you type, Zen will filter the options and take you straight to the area you need. In the homepage section, you'll see controls for new windows and for the homepage. By default, Zen typically uses Firefox Home, which is a start page with shortcuts and a search bar. That's fine for many people, but if you want a specific site to appear, you'll change this setting. Click the drop-down where it shows the current option and select Custom URLs. This tells Zen you want to specify exactly what should open. After you choose Custom URLs, look for the option labeled Choose a Specific Site and click it. This is where you point Zen to the website you want as your homepage. Type the full site address in the field provided, including the HTTPS part for best results. For example, https example.com is a good format to follow. When you're sure the address is correct, click Add Address. Zen will save this instantly. If you see the site listed under the Custom URLs section, you're all set. From now on, when you open a new Zen window or press the Home button, Zen will take you straight to the site you added. If you ever want to change it, repeat the same path. Menu, Settings, search for Homepage, choose Custom URLs, choose a specific site, and update the address. If the page doesn't load as expected, double-check for typos in the URL and make sure the site is reachable. That's it. You've successfully set a custom homepage on Zen browser, giving you a clean and consistent starting point every time you browse.